Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7, Refresher Course Module English, Worksheet 12, Articles. So dear children, today we are going to solve Worksheet 12 Articles. So already you know what is an article. Article naka a and the la. Okay, when we should use a, when we should use
Articles,
and the, and determiners are they define whether the noun is a specific or unspecific. The specific இருக்குதா unspecific இருக்குதான்னு சொல்றது. Articles and their uses. Okay, we'll see. A and an are indefinite articles. The is definite article. The indefinite articles are used with singular nouns when the noun is unspecific. இப்போ the எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணுறோன்னாக்கா எவ்வளோன்னு தெரியல, அன்ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்காக இருக்கும்போது யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். A is used before a singular noun begins with a consonant sound. A எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? சிங்கிள், ஒருமைக்கு சிங்கிள் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். தட் டு இட் ஷுட் ஸ்டார்ட் வித் கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்ட், அதாவது மெய்யெழுத்து சவுண்டு. அது ஐ கிடையாது, இந்த காங்கா சாஞ்சா வருது இல்லையா, அந்த வேர்ட்ஸுக்கு we can use A. An is used before a singular noun which begins with vowel sound. So when do we use an? An we should use for single only. ஆனால் இது வந்து vowel sound, இல்லை உயிரெழுத்துக்கு we should use an. Fine children, for example, Sheila is a doctor. இங்கே doctor, d. Okay, d வந்து வரல. So, a doctor. Suman is an engineer. So, engineer is vowel sound. So, that is why we are using an. The definite article is used before the nouns which are specific. It is used before singular or plural. And a definite article இருக்குல்லையா, the வந்து we can use for singular also, plural also. Okay. For example, can we go to the park? இங்கு a park வேணாம். Can we go to the park? Priya has kept the jewels in her locker. Fine children? Okay. Now write the nouns with correct articles. Some examples are here. For example, here apple is there. Apple can use பண்ணலாம் an apple. Here some trees are there. We can use the trees. One cup is there. A cup. Fine children? Okay. Now here some sentences are there. We have to use correct articles. Fine? Okay. First one. I saw an accident of a car. An accident. Correctly? Correct. An accident. Second one. This is an excellent pencil. So an excellent. Right or wrong? Correct. Third. I was born in the India. The India வருமா? வரக்கூடாது இல்லையா? I am born in India. அவ்வளோ போதும். The தேவையில்லை. So that is wrong. Fourth one, I need kilogram of sugar. So இதில் ஏதோ மிஸ் ஆகுது. So I need a kilogram of sugar தான் வரணும். So that is not there. That is wrong. Fifth one, Shakti is English teacher. அதுனும் பேச்சு வாக்கில் வர மாதிரி வருது. So that is wrong. Shakti is an English teacher. அங்கே ஒரு ஆர்டிக்கிள் இல்லை. So that is wrong. Sixth one, excuse me, where is the your home? அது is it right? Wrong only, no? So excuse me, where is your home? So that the is unnecessary, not needed. Seventh one, my mother is an honest woman. So that is correct, an honest. Eighth one, Murli lives in the USA. So it is correct. Ninth one, please give me an bottle of water. An bottle varuma varadu. So please give me a bottle of water, the right. 10th one, my brother is good at the maths. The maths சொல்லமா? No. So that is wrong. Okay. Now children, we'll see some examples like a table, an eraser, a desk, the poster, etc. Shall we go to assessment part? First one, identify the article in the following and write its types. So first of all, we'll identify the article, then we'll write whether it is definite article or it is indefinite article. First one, Manju goes to temple in the morning. So இது வந்து இதில் எதாக்கும் article first of all? In the morning. The is the article. So is definite or indefinite? Definite article. Okay. B, Bhagya is the best student in the college. So, idhila which one is article? Very simple only. You should check with this A, Anna, the va kandupidicha podum. Okay. So, the best, the college. So, that is definite article. Next one, the camel is the ship of the desert. So, here is the. So, the is definite article. D. I am a university student. So, a university student, indefinite article. Okay, next one. Rajaraja Chola was an honest king. So, an honest king, that is, so here an is there, so it is indefinite article. Okay. Okay, moving on to second Roman number. Write yes for the correct and no for wrong sentences based on the usage of articles. So you have the sentences, Shanta returned home after an hour. So idhula vandu, is it correct you tell, okay? Shanta returned home after an hour. Correct thane idu? An hour, correct. Second one, Radhika bought a orange dress. So a orange dress varuma? No. An orange dress na correct. So this is no. Next one, C. An cat sat on the wall. An cat varuma? No. So a cat sat means correct. So that is wrong. Gold is a precious metal. So here it is correct. Yes. E. There is an institution for the blind students in Thanjavur district. So there is an institution. That is also correct. Okay. Third one, children. Fill the blanks with correct articles. So using articles you have to fill up. Dash sun. So dash sun enna varalam? A sun varuma, an or the sun. Second one, dash umbrella, an umbrella. C. Dash universe, the universe. D. Dash fruit, a fruit. So a fruit. E. Dash farmer, a farmer. Actually, when you use vowel sounds, you can use an. And you should use the for universal objects. Okay, so that's why we are using the sun, the universe and all. Okay, moving on to fourth Roman number. Insert articles wherever necessary in the following sentences. So we can insert articles. Dash rises in east. So inge enna podala? The sun rises in the east. So the is missing. Second one, where there is dash, there is way. So where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will. See, I want dash. See, I want apple from the basket. So idhil enna missing? I want an apple from the basket. So you can insert an. D. Where did you put keys? So there something is missing. So where did you put the keys? E. Come and close door. So what is missing over there? Come and close the doors. Alright. Okay, fifth Roman number, children. Change the incorrect articles with the correct articles in the following. So here some incorrect things are there. We have to rectify it. First one, plates are on the dining table. So can you write plates? Correct? So the plates are on the dining table. Second one, Professor Vasanthi is smiling and kind to all and students. So all and varuma, that is wrong. So Professor Vasanthi is smiling and kind to all the students. See, Kamali is such the nice girl. Is it right? Wrong. So Kamali is such a nice girl. D. I don't like that restaurant. Food is not very good there. Food varuma? No. Okay, I don't like that restaurant. The food is not very good there. E. It was a proudest moment in my life. So it was a proudest moment in my life. Is it right? No. Normally for EST word, superlative degree, we should use the. It was the proudest moment in my life. So I hope you understood, children. Do not copy the answers just like that. You can listen again. And do not miss to watch lesson explanation videos, book back exercise, guided reading, assessment, bridge course and many other things. Thank you.